So day 6 in the morning, and China radish. This one got a little bit floppy here, that's fine, they're starting to come up. This one compared to the others is using up the water a lot quicker actually, and you'll see because they're a lot bigger shoot, that would make sense. You've still got the root hairs down here. So I'm going to give this one a water, even though it was watered last night. Radish do like quite a bit of water. Looks like I kind of drowned that there, like if I look in there. But I'm just going to move it around so the water runs across, sort of through the soil, and put that back in the window ledge. If you still see the yellow ones where they haven't been in the light so much, and yeah, it's looking right. That's what it should be looking like. And then sort of each day now, just checking in morning and evening, you'll find that the radish will need some more water than the others because it's bigger. But each day, morning, evening, just water, put it back in the light, and it won't be long before they're ready to go.